O son of the king of the cowards. So Brahma, who's the Adi Guru, he has his own sampradaya called the Brahma Sampradaya. He's called Adi Kavye. Adi Kavye means he's intelligent. He's the first intelligent being. Yet Adi Kavye is told in the Bhagavatam that this knowledge is given to Brahma. Yet Adi Kavye, he's the original, he's the most intelligent person. So when he says that Krishna, you're the son of Nanda Maharaj, he knows what he's talking about. O son of Nanda Maharaj, your transcendental body is sham blue like a new cloud, and your garment is brilliant like lightning. The beauty of your face is enhanced by your gunja mala, and your peacock feather on your head. Wearing garlands of various forest flowers and leaves, and carrying a stick, a buffalo horn, and a vamshi, you stand beautifully with a morsel of food in your hand. In this prayer, Brahma is not really praying. He's praying, but on the spot, he's composed a Sanskrit verse. He's looking at Krishna, and immediately composes a verse.